That's how you hang joist by yourself. Alright. You're gonna hang a hanger. Right? Get the measurement off the hanger, right? To the other side. Stick your tape measure up between this thing here. Carry it all the way over. Get your measurement. Put your bracket on the end that you're not cutting. Right? Put a screw on each side. Make your cut on that side. Once you're done making your cut, you're going to bring it in. Put your end of the joist up there. It's open. You're going to put it in on an angle. And then you're going to slide it in. It's going to be tight. You want it to be tight. Right? You're going to take a hammer. You're going to beat it into place. When you're making your cut from your measurement, cut it a little over the line. Not under the line. Right? Make it tight. And that way you come in, you can make your, squeeze it in there. If it's too tight, then you can take that line off. Can't ever put the line back on. So, now that's sitting up there without any screws in it. Except for on that side. There's one on each side. And there's screws on this. Screwed into this, but not into the face. Okay, I had to pack this out because I'm not a fan of this wood that's not even attached to the I-beam. I don't know. So we did some 2x, drilled some holes through the I-beam. Alright. Some 2x4s and a 2x6 on the face. Packed it out. And we took this up a notch so that we can, basically get rid of, 2 of the 5 layers of floor that was on this. Right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. So obviously this is the sheathing that goes over it, but over the plywood. Right. So we take that up. We're going to erase a layer there. I really could have taken it up even higher, but we're doing the bathroom, so we have, and I'm compensate for that. Put some 1x's, pack that up. I'm actually going to be replacing the second one in from this one. This one's fine. The other one's not. Whatever. We're going to raise that up to match. So this was the nightmare. This whole every one of these was just rot and mold. All the 2x's are mold, at the bottoms. So it's just going down. They opted to not replace them, so that's what it is. And yeah. So now I'm gonna go up and make that height to get that set level. Okay. We got like I was saying, we got the backer board and the sheathing to put down, layer, and then tile. So we'll see what we're gonna do. But I figured I'd take an inch of flooring out of the question and just bring this up. But these weren't even the previous ones. These things are not even like. I mean, look, it's got friggin' you know, they're just broken and cut. And I mean, if you seen the other one, there's about this much left of, you know, it's like 2 feet missing out of the one. There's about an inch of joist left. You know, kind of look like that at the top. I was on like 2 of them. And then the sister part they weren't even tied together, let alone tied to the wall. I could just pull them out of the wall. That's what I did. They had a jack holding them up. Those guys right there. They weren't even tied into the wall. I cut no screws out of the ends there. Going into the wall. It's crazy. Never seen one like it. They were just going in. Again, I had to pack all this out because the wood in there is rotted and just junk. You know, tie it in, kind of stiffen this one up as well. Strengthen this up and on the other side. So, yeah, I don't know. You got this one sitting on like a half inch of wood here. You know. So, and of course, Home Depot didn't have 2x10s. They only had the 2x12s. They had no 2x10x12s. So, yep. Anyways, got that in place. We're gonna tack these in and get working on the next one. So after you do this one, you're gonna then take your measurement for the next one, and so on and so forth. You cut them all to size now. Something's gonna happen somewhere in between, and they're gonna be short, right? So every 16 inches, you're gonna put a new one. You're gonna go off of that bracket, measure to that side, make your cut. Put your bracket on first. That way you can just, I mean, you don't have to do that. I just figured save some time, you know. You could jam it in there and then put the bracket up and do it that way too. Either ways. But good luck.